If your hair is dry, frizzy, and lifeless, then girl, you need to watch this. I'm about to share the best secrets to get silky, shiny hair naturally. No expensive treatments, no damage, just pure hair magic. And trust me, tip 6 is a game changer, because it's all about the mistakes you're making every day that are secretly ruining your hair. So, don't skip, don't click away, watch till the end, and let's transform your hair together. Tip 1. Deep hydration with overnight oil treatment. One of the most powerful ways to achieve silky, shiny hair naturally is by deeply hydrating it with an overnight oil treatment. Most people just apply a little bit of oil and wash it out within an hour. But that's not how you get the best results. Your hair needs time to absorb all the nutrients from the oil, and overnight treatments are the best way to let your hair soak up every drop. Coconut oil is a game changer because it deeply penetrates the hair shaft, preventing protein loss, which is one of the main causes of weak, dry, and frizzy hair. But if you want next level hydration, mixing it with castor oil and argan oil will do wonders. Castor oil thickens the hair and prevents breakage, while argan oil adds a natural shine and smoothness that makes hair look instantly healthier. To apply, warm up the oil slightly. Never too hot, just warm enough to help it absorb better. Massage the oil into your scalp for about 10 minutes using your fingertips in circular motions. This increases blood circulation, stimulating hair growth while making sure your scalp is nourished. Once your scalp is covered, move to the lengths of your hair. Apply a generous amount, making sure every strand is coated, especially if you have dry or split ends. Then, wrap your hair in a warm towel or wear a silk scarf before sleeping. In the morning, wash your hair using a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. You might need to shampoo twice to get all the oil out, but avoid using hot water. It can strip away moisture. After rinsing, apply a hydrating conditioner and let it sit for at least 5 minutes before washing it off. The results: soft, smooth, and glossy hair that feels completely transformed. If you do this at least twice a week, your hair will become shinier, healthier, and frizz-free within weeks. Tip 2. The magic of rice water rinse. Rice water is one of the best-kept beauty secrets for achieving ultra-shiny and silky hair naturally. Women in Japan and China have been using it for centuries, and their long, glossy hair is proof of how powerful it is. It makes hair smoother, shinier, and more resilient. But there's more. Rice water also contains amino acids, vitamins B and E, and antioxidants that nourish the scalp, reduce breakage, and give hair a natural glow. To make rice water, take half a cup of rice and rinse it to remove any dirt or excess starch. Then, soak it in 2 cups of water for about 30 minutes. If you want to make it even more effective, let it ferment overnight. This increases its nutrients and makes it more powerful for hair growth and shine. Strain the rice water and store it in a spray bottle for easy application. You can also add a few drops of essential oil, like rosemary or lavender, to make it smell better and boost hair health. After shampooing, pour the rice water over your hair, making sure to saturate every strand. Use your fingers to massage it into your scalp gently. This helps stimulate blood circulation and ensures that your roots absorb all the nutrients. Let it sit for at least 10–15 minutes before rinsing it out with cold water. Cold water is key. It helps seal the hair cuticle, locking in the benefits of rice water while making hair look instantly shinier. For even better results, you can use rice water as a deep conditioning treatment once a week. Soak your hair in rice water for 30 minutes before washing it out with a mild shampoo. If your hair feels a little stiff afterward, apply a small amount of conditioner to restore softness. Doing this 2 to 3 times a week will leave you with stronger, shinier, and healthier hair in just a few weeks. You'll notice your hair becoming smoother, frizz-free, and naturally silky. Plus, if you struggle with hair fall, rice water can help reduce breakage and strengthen your strands from the root. Tip 3. Stop overwashing your hair. If your hair always feels dry, rough, or frizzy, you might be washing it too often without realizing it. Many people think that washing their hair every day keeps it clean and fresh, but in reality, it does more harm than good. Most shampoos, especially those with sulfates, strip the hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Your scalp produces natural oils, sebum, that act as a protective barrier, keeping your hair moisturized, shiny, and strong. But when you wash your hair too frequently, these oils get washed away before they can do their job. So how often should you really wash your hair? The answer depends on your hair type, but washing 2 to 3 times a week is ideal for most people. If your scalp gets greasy between washes, instead of shampooing, you can use dry shampoo to absorb excess oil without stripping your hair. Rinse with plain water to freshen up your hair without drying it out. Brush your hair with a boar bristle brush to distribute natural oils from the scalp to the ends. When you do wash your hair, focus only on your scalp, not the lengths of your hair. The shampoo running down as you rinse is enough to clean the rest of your hair without over-drying it. Using a sulfate-free shampoo is a must because sulfates are harsh detergents that make shampoo lather, but they also strip moisture from your hair. Instead, go for shampoos with gentle, natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut milk, or argan oil, which cleanse the hair while keeping it hydrated. After shampooing, always use a moisturizing conditioner. Many people apply conditioner only to the ends, but if you have dry or frizzy hair, applying a small amount mid-length to the ends can help lock in moisture and reduce frizz. Let the conditioner sit for at least 5 to 7 minutes before rinsing it out. A cold water rinse at the end is a game changer. Hot water opens up the hair cuticles, which can cause frizz and make hair look dull. Cold water, on the other hand, seals the cuticle, making your hair look instantly smoother, shinier, and healthier. Try to avoid using hot water on your hair as much as possible. Lukewarm or cold water is best. If you reduce your washing frequency and use these techniques, your natural oils will balance out, making your hair less greasy, more hydrated, and shinier over time. You'll notice that your hair feels softer, stronger, and healthier, with a natural silky glow. Tip 4. Scalp care. Most people focus only on their hair strands using conditioners, masks, and serums, but completely ignore their scalp. Your scalp is the foundation of your hair health, and if it's not properly cared for, your hair will suffer. No matter how many expensive products you use, a neglected scalp leads to slow hair growth, dryness, excess oil production, dandruff, and even hair fall. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not cleansing their scalp properly. When you wash your hair, do you actually focus on your scalp or just the lengths? If you're just applying shampoo to your strands and rinsing quickly, you're leaving behind buildup, dirt, and oil that clog your hair follicles. Over time, this weakens your hair and makes it look lifeless and dull. Instead, when shampooing, use your fingertips, not nails, to gently massage your scalp in circular motions for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This removes buildup, stimulates blood circulation, and helps with hair growth. Another mistake: not exfoliating your scalp. Just like your skin needs exfoliation to remove dead cells, your scalp needs the same care. Buildup from shampoos, conditioners, and oils can clog your hair follicles, preventing proper growth. Use a scalp scrub or a simple DIY exfoliator like sugar mixed with aloe vera gel once a week to keep your scalp fresh, clean, and balanced. And if your scalp is dry and flaky, it's a sign that it lacks moisture. Many people assume they have dandruff when in reality, their scalp is just dehydrated. Using a hydrating scalp serum or applying aloe vera gel can help restore moisture without making your scalp greasy. Lastly, never ignore scalp massages. Massaging your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes daily with or without oil helps stimulate hair follicles, improve circulation, and promote healthy hair growth. You can even do this before bed to relax and encourage better blood flow to your scalp overnight. Tip 5. The ultimate deep conditioning hair mask. If your hair feels dry, rough, and frizzy, it's probably thirsty for moisture. No matter how much oil you apply, Sometimes your hair needs deep conditioning to restore its smoothness and shine, and the best way to do that, a homemade hair mask that works better than expensive salon treatments. This hair mask is intensely hydrating, repairs damaged cuticles, and makes your hair super soft and glossy. It's a protein and moisture-rich treatment, meaning it strengthens your strands while keeping them hydrated, the perfect combination for silky hair. What you need for the hair mask: 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 banana. How to make and apply the mask: mash the banana until it becomes a smooth puree, no lumps, then whisk the egg and mix it with the banana, add the yogurt, honey, and coconut oil, and blend everything into a thick, creamy consistency. Make sure there are no chunks because they'll be hard to rinse out. Apply this mask evenly from roots to ends, focusing on the driest areas. If your scalp gets oily fast, apply more on the lengths and less on the roots. Once the mask is on, massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. This improves blood circulation and helps with hair growth. Now, cover your hair with a shower cap or a warm towel. This creates a steaming effect, allowing the mask to penetrate deeper into your hair shaft. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. Rinse it out thoroughly with cold or lukewarm water. Never use hot water. Hot water will cook the egg in the mask, making it super hard to remove. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your hair, and if needed, apply a light conditioner. Once your hair is dry, you'll immediately feel the difference. Your hair will be softer, shinier, and smoother, with less frizz and more silkiness. Use this mask once a week for visible. Tip 6. Habits that are secretly ruining your hair. You might be doing everything right, oiling, masking, using expensive shampoos. But if your hair is still dry, frizzy, and lifeless, then girl, you're probably making these common hair-damaging mistakes without even realizing it. These habits silently destroy your hair, making it weak, dull, and prone to breakage. If you truly want silky, healthy, and shiny hair, you need to stop these habits immediately. Washing your hair too often. Washing your hair every single day strips away the natural oils that keep your hair hydrated and healthy. These oils are like your hair's natural conditioner, and without them, your hair becomes dry, brittle, and frizzy. Instead of washing daily, wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week and use dry shampoo in between if needed. Brushing wet hair roughly. Wet hair is super fragile and prone to breakage. If you use a regular brush on wet hair, you're literally ripping your strands apart. Instead, use a wide tooth comb and start from the ends, slowly working your way up to prevent breakage. Skipping heat protection. If you're blow drying, straightening, or curling your hair without a heat protectant, you're burning your hair every time. Heat damages the hair cuticle, making it look dull, rough, and lifeless. Always apply a heat protectant spray or serum before styling, and keep the temperature low to medium to prevent long-term damage. Tying your hair too tight. High ponytails, tight buns, and constantly pulling your hair back cause tension and breakage. Over time, this weakens your hairline, leading to thinning and hair fall. Instead, go for loose hairstyles and use silk scrunchies instead of tight elastic bands. Sleeping with loose hair on a cotton pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases cause friction, leading to frizz, tangles, and breakage. If you sleep with loose hair, you're making it even worse. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase, and always tie your hair in a loose braid or bun before bed to reduce friction. Not drinking enough water or eating the wrong foods. Hair health starts from the inside. If you're not drinking enough water or eating a diet full of junk food, processed sugars, and unhealthy fats, your hair will show it. Hydration and nutrients like biotin, iron, omega-3s, and protein are essential for shiny, strong hair. Eat more nuts, leafy greens, eggs, and avocados, and drink at least 2 liters of water daily. If you fix these bad habits, your hair will transform faster than you think, becoming softer, shinier, and healthier within weeks. Silky, Shiny hair doesn't require expensive products or salon treatments. Just the right care, consistency, and a few simple changes in your routine. If you start following these tips from today, you'll see a massive transformation in your hair's softness, shine, and overall health within just a few weeks. So, which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more amazing beauty tips.